Imagine stepping outside and picking dinner straight from your own garden. Fresh, flavorful, chemical-free, and grown by you. Whether you live in a city apartment or a rural village, you can grow food. Gardening isn't just about vegetables, it's about peace of mind, purpose, and reclaiming a little control in a chaotic world. Let's get one thing straight, you can grow food, yes, whether you've got a backyard, a balcony, or just a few pots by the window. Gardening isn't reserved for experts or people with acres of land. It starts with one container, one plant, one moment of curiosity. In a world so dependent on grocery stores and long supply chains, growing even a small portion of your food is powerful. This isn't just about vegetables, it's about independence, health, and reconnecting with nature. Title: 12 Simple Steps to Start Your Garden, even if you've never grown a thing. Here's the golden rule. Start with what grows where you live. Don't chase trendy veggies from Instagram. Look around you. What did your grandparents grow? What thrives in your climate? Use indigenous and common local vegetables. They're perfectly adapted to your environment. They're your best teachers. Nigeria and West Africa. Okra, fluted pumpkin, ugu, garden egg, chili pepper and spinach, efotet, iwedu. India, coriander, fenugreek, amaranth, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, and green chilies. Southeast Asia, Philippines, Thailand, eggplant, kangkong, water spinach, malunggay, moringa, lemongrass and yard-long beans. Latin America, tomatoes, chili peppers, maize, beans, chayote, and squash. North America and Europe, lettuce, carrots, peas, radishes, kale, and cabbage. East Africa, collard greens, sukuma wiki, cowpeas, Ethiopian kale, and sweet potatoes. Middle East and North Africa, cucumbers, melons, eggplants, fava beans, and herbs like parsley and mint. Wherever you are, learn from your local traditions and climate. That's where successful gardening begins. Let's walk through 12 simple, powerful steps to help you start your own garden right where you are. Do you want to save money? Eat healthier? Reduce stress? Your why will guide your garden. Purpose grows resilience. Super Step 1. Start with why. Gardening is for everyone, anywhere. You don't need to be a scientist, but knowing your local weather patterns helps you choose the right crops and planting time. Super. Step 2. Know your climate. Step 3. Choose a sunny spot. Find a place that gets at least 6 hours of sun. A balcony, a rooftop, a windowsill, it all works. Step 4. Start small. Begin with 2-4 easy crops like spinach, basil, tomatoes, or local greens. Small harvests lead to big confidence. Step 5. Grow what grows near you. Start with vegetables native or common to your region. Okra, chili, kale, eggplant, or whatever your local markets thrive on. Local plants equals sign less stress plus better results. Pots, sacks, buckets, raised beds, even old paint containers can grow food. Get creative and use what you have. Step 7. Feed the soil. Good soil is alive. Add compost, leaves, or organic waste to build rich, fertile ground. Step 8. Water with intention. Don't drown your plants. Water early in the morning or late evening. Consistency matters more than quantity. Step 9. Observe your plants daily. Are they drooping? Too dry? Too crowded? Plants talk. You just have to watch. Step 10. Embrace the mess. Gardening isn't perfect. Bugs will come. Some plants won't make it. That's okay. Every failure grows experience. Step 11. Keep learning. Add one new plant. Try composting. Join a garden group. Swap seeds. Let your garden and your skills grow naturally. Step 12. Grow freedom. That first harvest? It'll change you. You'll never look at food the same way again. Pick, taste, smile. Then plant again. You don't need perfect land, perfect tools, or perfect timing. You just need a little space, a little care, and the courage to plant something. Because when you grow food, you grow freedom. And it all starts with a single seed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.